There comes a time in life when honesty becomes rare. As we grow older, people around us, family, neighbors, even close friends, often hesitate to tell us the truth. They don't want to hurt our feelings or create conflict. But avoiding the truth can quietly damage our relationships, because there are certain behaviors that push people away without us realizing it. And the most painful part is that these habits have nothing to do with age, they're habits anyone can fall into. Today, we will uncover 13 habits that secretly make people avoid older adults, not because the person is bad, but because these behaviors become uncomfortable, draining, or difficult for others. The good news? Every single one of these habits can be changed, and once you recognize them, your relationships instantly become stronger, warmer, and more meaningful. The first habit is constant complaining. Everyone faces challenges, but when conversations always focus on what's wrong, aches, family problems, frustrations, people start feeling emotionally exhausted. Complaining occasionally is normal, but doing it every day makes others feel powerless. Shifting to gratitude or sharing positive stories brings people closer instead of pushing them away. The second habit is interrupting others or dominating the conversation. Sometimes older adults feel a strong need to share wisdom or experience, but accidentally cut others off. People love to listen, but they also love to be heard. Allowing others to finish speaking and asking questions before giving advice makes them feel respected and valued. The third habit is talking too much about past experiences without being interested in the present. Sharing old memories is beautiful, but when conversations become only about the good old days, people, especially younger ones, struggle to connect. Balance your stories with curiosity about what others are doing today. It creates stronger emotional bonds. The fourth habit is being overly critical. Sometimes, without meaning to, older adults comment on someone's clothes, weight, life choices, or habits. Even if the intention is good, people become guarded. Replacing criticism with encouragement makes relationships warmer and more positive. The fifth habit is neglecting personal hygiene. This is a sensitive topic no one wants to bring up, but body odor, unwashed clothes, long nails, or unkempt hair can make others uncomfortable. Maintaining simple daily hygiene not only boosts confidence but also helps others feel more comfortable around you. The sixth habit is repeating the same stories over and over. This often happens unintentionally. When someone hears the same story every time you meet, they may stop engaging deeply. A helpful fix is to ask questions, talk about new observations, or share recent thoughts. The seventh habit is being negative about the younger generation. Statements like "kids these days" or "your generation doesn't know anything" shut down connection instantly. People want understanding, not judgment. Showing interest in younger people's world creates respect both ways. The eighth habit is giving unsolicited advice. Older adults have valuable wisdom, but when advice is given without being asked, it can feel controlling. A gentle approach is to ask, "Would you like some advice?" This simple question transforms advice into support. The ninth habit is being stubborn or unwilling to try new things. When someone refuses to listen, refuses to learn, or rejects anything unfamiliar, others eventually stop sharing new ideas. Being open to new experiences, even small ones, makes people enjoy your company more. The 10th habit is talking only about health issues. Everyone cares about your well-being, but when every conversation centers on illnesses, medications, or pain, people eventually feel emotionally drained. Balancing health updates with hobbies, humor, and life experiences keeps conversations uplifting. The 11th habit is showing anger or irritation too quickly. As we age, noise, distractions, or changes can be more frustrating, but reacting harshly pushes people away. Practicing slow breathing and choosing patience helps maintain harmony in relationships. The 12th habit is not respecting other people's time. Calling repeatedly, expecting immediate responses, or needing long conversations can overwhelm others. People value their time, and when you acknowledge it, they feel appreciated and respected. The 13th habit is isolating yourself and expecting others to reach out. Sometimes loneliness creates distance, not by choice but by habit. When you stop initiating connection, others may assume you want space. Reaching out first, even a simple message or invitation, shows people you care, and they respond warmly. These 13 habits aren't signs of bad character, they are simply blind spots that interrupt connection. And just like any habit, they can be unlearned. When you focus on listening instead of criticizing, supporting instead of advising, appreciating instead of complaining, and connecting instead of isolating, people feel drawn to you. They feel safe. They feel valued. They feel uplifted. And that is the kind of presence everyone loves to be around. Growing older should be a time of deeper wisdom, stronger relationships, and emotional peace, not loneliness. By becoming aware of these habits, you're already ahead. You're choosing growth, improvement, and meaningful connection. And when you make these small changes, something amazing happens. People don't avoid you, they admire you. They enjoy you. They look forward to speaking with you. Because your presence becomes a source of comfort, confidence, and kindness. And that is the most beautiful way to age, with dignity, warmth, and the kind of wisdom that brings people closer instead of pushing them away. That if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. It helps support the channel and allows us to bring you more helpful advice for healthier, happier aging. Thank you for being here.